Hello, hello! Welcome back to Here with me. I need to come up with a better description of what that is, but welcome. I'm Aziza. Today I'm going to do a small mailbox goodies because I received a small parcel from Monteverde and Jaffa Pens in the US. I got a card that was written to me and I'm just trying to pull it out. Oh, lovely. So, I'm not going to read it to you because it might not matter to you, but it was sweet that they did write me a little note. Now, these were sent to me free of charge. I'm not being compensated monetarily for this. I'm just doing an unboxing because it's fun, and at some point they will be reviewed. So, thank you to Jaffa and Monteverde, and let's get cracking. Let's get cracking, or kraken. Now, there were 3 items. The first thing is a pen. It is a fountain pen. And it is the Monteverde Invincia Brass. Ta-da! I've actually never seen this pen before in pictures or in person. I've seen the Invincia, but not the brass, so it's pretty cool looking. I like brass. It's not super heavy, so my first impression is positive. Like, I think, okay, this could work for me. It doesn't smell very brassy. I know some people like that, some people hate it. I don't really like the smell of the metal, so for me, that's a good thing. It has really nice black trim. I have used a Monteverde Intima in neon pink before, so it had the neon pink acrylic barrel and the black trim, and unfortunately, the trim chipped off pretty soon, so I'm hoping this will last a little longer. I will keep you posted. It's brand new. Right now, it looks great. It looks pretty good. I think the tolerance is a bit like meh, because you can see there's a giant gap where the clip is inserted through the cap, but you know what? It's not the end of the world. The next thing is, that's pretty snug, which I like, because I don't like when my caps unscrew themselves. It has the same matte black section, a black steel nib, and it has a converter in place already. So that's cool. Now it does post, actually quite comfortable. Posts, it's not super heavy. I was expecting it to be heavier being brass and I was a little worried about it, but so far it feels pretty good. So again, just a first impression, just at a glance, this is the pen. Now the box, they have improved their boxes. I do like these ones a lot better. To be honest, I would prefer less box still, because I still think this is too much for me. Got a nice faux leather interior, or maybe it is real leather. I'm not sure. It does smell a little funny, so it's possible it's pleather. And if it is pleather, I'm okay with that, except that I don't typically keep my boxes. But anyway, the bed lifts off. Underneath, there are 4 items. One thing is fountain pen filling instructions, which is great because not everyone knows how to fill a fountain pen. It might be your first pen, you don't know what to do. So I think that's very useful. The second thing is the Monteverde USA International Limited Lifetime Warranty. Also useful because you know your warranty details. Next up is a little detail about the brass. This pen is machined from tubes of natural solid brass. Some minor imperfections in the raw material may be visible and should be considered normal. There is a protective coating on it designed to minimize oxidation and has been added at the time of manufacture to keep the pen's color consistent over time. That's probably why it doesn't smell super brassy. It's sealed, so it's not going to develop a patina, if I understand correctly. So if you like brass pens or metal pens that develop character, then this might not be the pen for you, but if you don't like that, then this might be perfect. Last but not least, it came with 2 ink cartridges. And the thing is, I've always thought to myself, why do companies waste a plastic bag to put 2 plastic cartridges inside the plastic bag? And now I know why. Because they can leak. So, if that had happened not in the plastic bag, that would have been very messy and very unfortunate. So I will never complain again. I understand why. And that's just the way it is. So, there we go. That's all right. I have other ink. It'll be okay. So we have the pen. Maybe I should hold up everything before we continue so you can see. You can have a snippet of what's going on. Yay! Okay. So we've done the pen. Next, they sent a box of cartridges. It's actually a container of cartridges. These are standard international short? No, just international size. There are 12, and this color is Monteverde Yosemite Green. I have not used this color before. I have never used the Monteverde Yosemite Green ink before, so I'm going to put that in the brass pen, and that will be what I do with that. But next thing, I have a full bottle of ink. This is another Monteverde ink. This is Valentine Red. I've never used the large bottle of Monteverde. I have the little ones. This one is awesome because, I'm gonna do it carefully, but the mouth, I'm not gonna tilt it too much. The mouth is huge, and it means it's very easy to fill your pens from. So I really like that. And I have to admit, I really like this red. I was expecting a very washed out red, like many red inks tend to be, but this is a vibrant, quite rich red with some sheen. So I'm pretty happy about that. That's actually it. That's what I got. I'm pretty excited about it because I love this red. I'm interested to try the pen, but I have some reservations based on the last black pen I had used, the Intima. So I'm hoping that the black on this will hold up. It's new, so as I said, it looks good right now. We'll see how it goes in time, and I will continue to report on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, and I will do full review on that as well as the Valentine Red ink. So thank you to Monteverde and Yafa for sending these for me. I will wrap it up now. I hope this was sort of fun. If you liked, please like and subscribe. And you can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon as Gourmet Pens. And so that's everything. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.